Realtors are making a difference, not just selling homes. I'm Scott Hill, the 2019 chair of the Bay East Association of Realtors Housing Opportunities Committee. Our committee launched a first-time homebuyer closing cost grant program. With help from the California Association of Realtors Housing Affordability Fund, we're able to assist first-time homebuyers in offsetting the closing costs associated with purchasing a home. We still have grants available. Here's a proud recipient.
This grant gives us financial assistance with our closing cost.
Hey, I want to just make sure that you all understand home ownership is possible. Hey everyone, this is Jose Cervantes. I'm here to encourage every real estate agent to inform their clients about our special Bay East first-time home buyer program. It's a grant for $2,000. I want to encourage everyone to use this program and inform their potential home buyers. Thank you.
If you or someone you know may be eligible to receive a closing cost assistance grant, please visit our website at www.bayeast.org/foundation.